Kotlin is a programming language that is designed and developed by JetBrains. Named after an island in Russia, it's designed to be a better alternative to Java with concise syntax and features like null safety. Kotlin code can be run on Java virtual machine, in the browser with JavaScript and WebAssembly, and at native devices. Kotlin is the most popular and is the preferred language by Google to develop Android apps. However, you can do more than that with Kotlin. For example, you can do data science with it. You can develop the backend and the front end of a web application. You can develop desktop apps for Windows, Linux, and macOS. With Kotlin Multiplatform, you can also develop Android and iOS apps with one shared code base. Let's take a look at how Kotlin code is compiled for Java Virtual Machine and JavaScript. So let's say you have this code and you hit run button, then your code is compiled to JVM class Java bytecode, and then from there it's compiled to machine code. Similarly, your Kotlin code is transpiled to JavaScript ES 5.1 source code. A more detailed video about how Kotlin compiler works is given in the description. This was Kotlin for you in a nutshell. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Kotlin and Android related videos.